my friends, welcome back again to our wonderful channel. I want to welcome you to single pair trading academy. So guys, I want to say this very loudly, and I want to tell you the fact, and I want to tell you the truth. I know there are many reasons why some traders are not profitable, but I think one of them is that people, they don't trade one thing. So if you want to be profitable, start trading only one pair, or you trade only one metal. Okay, so if you want to become profitable, concentrate on trading only one thing, concentrate on only trading only one pair. So this is where you're going to see things changing very quickly. So now guys, I want to share with you this strategy. It works based on gold. Okay, on gold. And if you'd like to talk to me, so this is my WhatsApp number, so you can WhatsApp me. Then for the mentorship, so you can reach out to me, then we talk. Now I want to explain this strategy to you in a very simple way to understand. Okay, now what are we going to do? We are going to try to find out swing highs and swing lows on the chart. That's what we are going to do. So after you find out that this is the swing high and this is the swing low, so what you're going to do, so you're going to see the reaction, how the market is going to react to that swing low or to that swing high. So now let us assume that this is our swing low, okay, and also this is our swing high. So now let us wait to see the reaction, or let us see what's going to happen here. Now if the next move, the candle, it fails to close below this low and it just sweeps it and it closes back like this. So when you see just only this wick sweeps or takes away this swing low, or the candle failing to close below this low, then it is a sign that the market, it is going to reverse. It is going to move up. So when you see this, it is a sign that the market is going to move up like this. So okay, so now what you're going to do after seeing that this candle, it has failed to close below this low or this swing low, it has just swept it. So now you're going to wait for the next candle. So the next candle, it will be a bullish candle like this. So now you can enter on the close of this. After seeing this, you can enter even direct, or you can even wait to get the confirmation, then you take your buy. Okay, so for us, I told you that when you decide to master one thing, that is when you're going to become pro, and that is when you're going to be able even to discover a lot of things. Okay, so in trading, discovering is still happening. Okay, and you can even build your own strategy. So when you trade only one thing, you're going to become profitable. You're going to have freedom. Now this strategy, I've said, we are going to mark out the swing highs and the swing lows on our chart on any time frame. Now you're going to wait to see the reaction, what is really the market is going to do. So when the market takes away the low and the candle close back, then it is a sign that the market is going to reverse. So now what am I going to do? So I'm going to take buy from here. My stop loss, it will be just below here. Then I can take 1 to 2 or even more. Okay, because the market, it can even move the whole day in just one direction like this. Now if the market, it takes away, it comes like this and it crosses back in the range, or it crosses back but it just takes away the swing high. So if it takes away the swing high, then this is also a sign that the market is going to move down. It is going to continue moving down. Okay, now here I'll be looking for sales. I'll be looking for shorts, a SL there, and then my TP, it will be just there. Okay, so now I want us to see this on the chart. marking out on a swing highs and swing lows. Now this is the chart. Take a look. This is a swing low and this is a swing high. Okay, now let us see what happened. Even you can see it very clear just around here. Here, when the market it went up, it gave us this candle. Yes, it was reacting to the surprise zone. And by the way, it is always wonderful if this thing it happens within the zone. So now you see this is a high. The market it went down, it came back. But when it came back, this candle it pushed up and then it came down again. It just took this high. Okay, just took away this high. Then this was a sign that the market it is going to move down. Now you can see what happened. The market it really moved down. And then take a look to this swing low. What happened when the market reached here? So when the market reached to this swing low, it failed. This candle it failed to close below this low. So when the candle when the body of this candle fails to close below this low, number 2, it gave us this is also a hammer, that is number 2. Then the candle it failed to close below this low. It was a sign that the market is going to move up. You could have even, if somebody could have even took some buys from there. Then we can put our stop loss. We can put our stop loss just below this low, and then we let the market move. Okay, so guys, at Single Pair Trading Academy, this is where we're going to find the simplicity. Okay, so now what happened again? We can say again the market it moved up, it came down. Now you take a look. This was also a swing high. This is a swing. This is a swing high. Take a look what happened when the market it went up. It failed to close above this high. Then do you know what happened? So the market it moved down. Remember guys, this is gold. Even if we could have even entered just around here, just even if you target only one or even, okay, so even you could have even make some good profit just there. So the market it moved, it went down again. So so what happened? So the market it failed to reach below this low. Now the market it continued moving up. It continued moving up. And now guys, again the same thing, it keeps on happening. You see this swing high is also still here. When the market came back to this swing high, it failed to close above, it went down. Because it failed to close above, it went down. Okay, now once again, now take a look. When the market went up, it closed above, which is okay. For us, we want to see the market failing to close above or to close below. Now this candle it failed to close below this low, and then the market moved up. You see this candle failed to close below this swing low, the market moved up. Now let us go up, and we try our level best to find these things. Now you take a look here. The market went up here, it came down, it gave us, this is a swing high. Then from here the market came back, but do you know what happened? So this candle it failed to close above this high. Do you know what happened? So the market it moved the short, it went down. Okay, it went down. So this is a sign that the market is going to pull back, or it is a sign that the market is going to change a direction. So this when this thing happens, it can either push the market to a certain a certain zone, either demand or a surprise zone. Now you see what happened. The market it moved down. Okay, you could have even take some sales from here. Now remember, we are just trading only one pair. Okay, and even when you are trading this strategy, you even also need to mind about the direction of a trend. Okay, now what happened again here? You take a look. This was also a swing high. So when this is a swing high, so when the market came back again, it failed to close above this high. You can see it failed to close above this high. What happened again? The market it went down massively. If this was your demand zone, if you had a limit orders here, but the market it came down up to this demand zone. Now what happened when the market reached to this zone? So guys, when the market reached to this zone, I want you to take a look to this. The market it crashed up to here. Do you know what happened? The market it failed to close below this swing low, Now the market, it again moved up. Then the market decided again to move up. But are you seeing I'm just only on gold? So meaning that when you decide to trade one thing, so you're going to understand it, you're going to master it, and you're going to be you're going to be profitable. So the market, it went all the way up. Okay, you can see very clear. Now again, what happened here? This was also a low, a swing low. Now the market, it came here, it failed to close below this low. Then what happened? The market, it went up massively. And even also another thing, it reacted to the demand here, but it did not tap into this demand, so the market went up. Now this thing, it keeps on happening every time, every day. Now this was also a swing high. This one was this level. Take a look to this level. This was also a swing high. When the market went up again, this candle, what happened? Did it fail? Yeah, it closed above. So if it goes above, then that is okay, that is fine. So let us again move again. We want to see these swing highs, want to see the reaction when the market comes to them. How does it react? Okay, so now I think I'm about to end this video. Now take a look. This was also a swing low. What happened? This candle, it came down here, it took away this low, and then the market, it moved up. This, and again here, what happened? But not every time that you'll be getting an entries. Here, this candle took away the high, but again the market, it moved up, which is fine. When you take a look, this was also a swing high, and this was also a swing high. So this is a swing high. What happened when the market reached here? When the market reached here to this high here, the market just took away this high, and then the market, it went down massively. Okay, it went down. Now also take a look here. What happened here? So when the market reached here, so it took away the low, which was it took away this swing low, and then the market again, it went up. So guys, why don't I stop here? I have showed you this, I have shared you with this simple thing. Now for those, if you like and if you are interested to learn more about this strategy and how you can become profitable trading this strategy, you can WhatsApp me here. Then so we learn. Okay, we learn. So, and I'm very sure that you're gonna be profitable. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you have any comment, you can write it down, but don't forget even also to follow this page. Don't forget to comment, and guys, don't forget to like, guys. Okay, you like this page, don't even forget to forward it to your friend. So let's learn together. So let us keep this channel moving, expanding, so that even others who are struggling, they can also learn. Again, guys, take a look. Even also, this was also a swing high. What happened? So this candle took away this high, but do you know what happened? The market went down. It went down. Okay. Now let me end this video here. Now guys, this strategy, it works best on gold, and you can use it on any time frame. So there is no need of dropping down to the lower time frame. What no. So this thing, it is enough. It is enough.